Hello, my friend. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about the enrollment period for the non-diet coaching certification that's going to be happening very soon. So we are going to be enrolling starting May 19th, 2023 until the 23rd of May. So we have a 5-day enrollment period coming up. That's the early registration. Now, the reason why we emphasize the early registration is because we have two bonus that are associated with this to encourage those of you that already have made the decision that you're going to come and train with us, to incentivize you, to get you time to get ready, plan your schedule for the next 6 months, because it is a 6-month commitment from July 1st to the end of December of this year. And for us on our end to plan all the activity that we will work on together over the next 6 months and make sure I have all the resources ready for you. That's why we do an early enrollment. Now, we practice ethical marketing, so I'm not playing with the pricing around the early enrollment. What we do instead, because you're enrolling early, we offer you, that's our bonus number one, an extended equal payment plan. All of our payment plans do not incur an additional cost as we traditionally see in other businesses. What we do is we take the sliding scale pricing that you've selected for you that represent your personal financial situation. We take that and we now divide it over 8 months. And that's what you pay in that extended payment plan in the early registration. If there is space left after the early registration, that payment plan will be on 6 months instead of 8 months. That's bonus number one. So an extended, no cost, equal payment plan. And the second bonus that we offer for you is what I call the Jumpstart Program. The Jumpstart Program, as soon as you've made your first payment, we give you your ID of our student portal, and you get access to our entire curriculum of all courses, masterclass, guest expert class. But I give you a roadmap to navigate this massive amount of curriculum that we have in our student portal. So what I do is I provide you with assessment. I provide you with your future clients assessment that is going to be part of our training. And I'm requiring for you to do them on yourself. So you can determine which area from mindset, from eating or body image, you need the most help with. And then I guide you to the track where you, based on your assessment, need the more support with. So there's an entire step-by-step process that I take you through, and then you start studying the element where you need the most support with. You get access in the program to the eating track, the body image track, and the mindset / coaching track. You can start on any track you want or the track that you need the more support with. That early enrollment period from May 19th to the 23rd is going to be available to everyone. Now, we do take 30 students maximum on each cohort, which means that it's a first come, first serve, meaning that if you know you're going to join us and you want to secure your spot, submit your application. As soon as it opens, you're going to get a link in your email. You have to be on the wait list to have access to the early registration. So on the morning of May the 19th, you're going to get an email from us with the link for you to apply. Why do we do an application process? That's a question I get very often. We do an application process for 2 reasons. Number one, I want to wean out people that would not be using my body of work or curriculum in the non-diet coaching certification with good intent. So you are asked to give me your website, your social media, and I search through your profile to make sure you're not going to use my content to promote diet culture and or natural weight loss. So that's the number one reason. And the number two reason is that I want to have a group of people that are going to work together, that are going to blend well. So those are the two reasons why we go through an application process. And the question that I'm asking you in the application allows me to get to know you better. So throughout all the activities in the certification, we have various group activities. We have coach to coach activities. I'm trying, based on your application, to match you with someone where your work is going to be pleasant and have the most impact. So it serves me in many different ways. So you apply. I am the one reviewing all the application. So the weekend of the 19th to the 23rd, twice a day, I'm going to go in my inbox, watch all the application come in, research you, approve or disapprove you. And then right away, within the next 24 hours, as soon as you sign your contract to be committed to us for 6 months, you get your Jumpstart program, your ID, and you can start right away. So you have 6 weeks to get ready for the intensive learning that's going to be happening starting July 1st until the end of the year. So that, in big headline, that's the early registration process, the reason why we do things the way we do. If I miss something, please send us an email right away at info@stephaniedodier.com, and one of us will answer all your questions. I want to make sure you have everything you need to make a quality decision to join us or not to join us for cohort number 8 of the non-diet coaching certification. I'll see you on the next podcast.